Show you guys how to install a on-off switch to a open sign. Go ahead and flick that. Flick it off. Flick it back on. Off again. On again. Alright, I just wanted to see if you fall for that. What do you gotta say? For watching, I'm going to show you guys how to wire up a on-off switch. We're working on an open sign over here, and
the old switch broke.
The old switch broke when they were pulling on it, wherever that went. Oh, here it is, right here. So when you pull on that, it broke off, and it was inside of here. So all we did, the on-off switch was on these two wires right here. The one that the little cord pulled on, it was like a little chain, like that. So we clipped those two wires, and what we did was we took two wires and we went over here to a regular basic on-off switch. As you can see, the light turns on and off now. Everything's done and wired up, so I'm just showing you how to wire it up. So we put those two on here. So now your on-off switch, instead of being internal, is now external. So you got your power that was right there. Real simple fix like that. And make sure if you're wiring this up, always go in a continuous circle, meaning that if you go from your like positive to one prong here, your other prong goes back, so you're going in a circle. Don't go to the switch with the two wires and then go right back to here and then go to the electric outlet. Electricity has to run in a circle like a current. If that makes any sense. If not, leave a comment. Go fix your broken item, whatever you got. Thanks for watching. And yes, we're open. Give me a thumbs up.